Massive, isn't it?
It's like being back home, so that's that pub. I hope they're carolers.
New Year's and happy holidays to everyone. Thank you all for coming out and helping us celebrate and lighten up the city one more time. Wow, what a crowd. And, but first, let me bring out one of my council members, Ms. Sandra Myers.
Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you have a blessed, wonderful holiday season, and we are ready to celebrate.
Who's doing my countdown for me? You ready? All right, we're about ready. We're going to count down from 5, okay? Is that right? All right. You all ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy holidays.
I like that.
like?
Very good, that.
As good as the Starbucks.
I'd say it's slightly better.
You had caramel in that. Which did you get?
Caramel Golden Eagle, which is caramel, vanilla, and a caramel drizzle.
So you don't need sugar in it.
Sweet.
I know you
Well,
don't
I
have sugar,
anyway,
but you wouldn't need
that's
it.
sweet. That if you were like really sweet and stuff, then you'd probably put sugar in it. But that's very nice, very good.
It's smooth.
Yeah, and it's full, not just froth. That Starbucks has been lately.
It feels funny drinking out of that. Like you got to
Weird,
put your
innit?
mouth right because it goes up rather than in.
Yeah, like a kid's sippy cup.
That's nice. That needs a bit of sugar though, mine. I think they've forgot my peppermint sprinkles as well.
I think the other lad did it. I think the other lad made it. They swapped over.
Forgot my peppermint sprinkles.
We'll go back and tell them.
I wanted it like a minty hot
Get a
chocolate.
free cup of peppermint sprinkles on
It's
side.
just plain hot chocolate, but it tastes nice. Nice and smooth. I'm going to put a bit of sugar in it though. It has got sprinkles at the bottom. I just needed stirring, and now I put a saccharine in, the sweetener.
Apologies, Dutch brothers. We're not coming back for the free cup.
It has got sprinkles. It tastes peppermint now, like peppermint chocolate.
Is it better?
Yeah. Bag balm.
Clear bag.
What's that? Pets chafing. What is it for? A red bag balm.
Skin bag balm.
Limited edition.
Lanolin. These are little ones. These are for little bags.
Set of 3 for your 3 bags.
So you've got 3 bags.
What is it? Lion King.
Chocolate's 30th anniversary. That sounds quite nice. Brown sugar and cinnamon.
Cup of Joe.
Cup of Joe.
Yeah. Showing us empanadas, what we've got to eat. Smell nice. Don't know what they'll be like.
Could be ours.
I think it's our milkshake.
Oh yeah, with this cookie. I forgot we got a cookie.
Milkshake and
Yep.
cookie.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hope you have a great day.
Thank you.
And then on the sticker they wrote which one was strawberry, which one
Yeah.
was
Do you have any? Are they in there? Oh, straws are in there. Found them. Thank you.
What did you get?
Peppermint bar milkshake, I think it's called.
Yeah, I just got strawberry and a cookie.
Best
Yeah, nice,
cookies.
I like the-
Best cookies in the
Is it
world.
warm again?
So,
Oh, warm. Might be gooey inside now. We'll see.
the tissue there.
Having that at post.
More guitars. It's like a smaller, condensed version at market, isn't it? Shriners is there. Yeah, Shriners stove.
Cookies. Oh, yeah.
They're good, aren't they? Cookies.
Little cookies. Have they got any sausages and stuff?
Yeah.
Spines.
Vice versa.
Yeah. Stockings. I can smell like
Cinnamon. I think.
cinnamon. Smells like Christmas.
Yeah.
Like these cinnamon glazed pecans and cashews.
Smells good. Not edible, do not eat. It's like a snow foam blizzard.
It is, isn't it? I can't see. I can't look up.
Something set up there. Entertainment schedule.
Once you guys depart from this area, or let's take a break from it, there will actually be 2 Holly Market trolleys running along the entire backside of downtown. And so hop on, take a free ride in the trolley, go visit Main Street, where we have our new Main Street holiday stroll. We've actually shut down the street for the entire holiday season.
Is that a bratwurst and a schnitzel?
Yeah, and I think it's got sauce on it.
Schnitzel,
It might be like
cranberry sauce,
Cranberry
that,
sauce on a
and that's
schnitzel.
a bratwurst.
Bratwurst.
Mustard.
Peppers and onions.
And a coffee and a water.
Very good.
Mine is
Is it like that one you had before? Is it same sort of sausage?
similar, yeah. It's kind of got smoky flavour.
Bratwurst, isn't it?
Bratwurst, yeah. Like peppers and mustard. Good. Got a pop.
Good. Nice. It's like that schnitzel that we had. Got a bit of a peppery taste to it.
What's the cranberry like?
That other didn't have like a peppery taste to it.
Oh.
That's got. I don't know if it's like a peppery taste or it's got some. It's got a bit of heat to it. Cranberry's nice, isn't it?
Is it
Goes
sweet?
well with pot. I
Like
needed
a-
some ice on it.
It's like a festive schnitzel.
Yeah, Christmas schnitzel. What is it? A trolley?
Trolley bus.
The chairs. Like velvet. Velvet coloured chairs.
It's better than a Viva, isn't it?
If we stay where we're at,
Yeah.
we would probably keep the doors open for a while. But generating revenue would make it'll be short.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, because that leaves the ginger colour.
Yeah, real as well. I thought they were fake.
Fern's Christmas tree.
celular parou de funcionar. Então, desde agosto, sem pagar.
I want a bell. Let's get a bell. Let's get a bell. Jingle bell. Jingle bells. Yeah.
Victorian, sorry.
African, oh, there you are. Yeah. I was just calling you. This is more crowded than the bar.
It's actually
Thief and crocodile with the fish. Given a choice, the three words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote.
Yeah, you could have green in them and red in them.
Is that our car? It looks mucky.